Now, one person I spoke to earlier today who's actually met Margaret Court is the New South Wales One Nation leader, Mark Latham. Thanks for joining us, Mark. I found it fascinating that you went out of your way to meet Margaret Court. Tell us about that meeting and what you think of the current outrage.
Well, in the outer suburbs of Perth, Margaret Court has established and helps to run a very substantial compound, a set of services spread over hectares. It's a magnificent big facility that does incredible work in helping the needy, the vulnerable, the poor in Perth. And I toured that with my family, and Margaret showed us around, and you'd go into waiting rooms of people clearly in need of assistance, and whether it's a food parcel or mental health advice or a friendly chat or other forms of pastoral care, Margaret Court has done much more, Chris, to help the needy, the vulnerable, the disadvantaged in our community than all her critics combined. All her critics combined. And there's an amazing ignorance on the left of politics about that dimension of work. Anthony Albanese tweeted out that, Margaret Court's got honours for tennis. This new award must be something other than to do with tennis. Well, too right it is. Too right it's other than to do with her tennis achievements, which are substantial. It's her role providing this wonderful, caring social justice service in Perth. And she should be given Australia's highest honour, the AC, for this. And can I just add there, she's been fitted up dreadfully about these alleged comments about transgender. I've actually listened to the so-called controversial radio interview from years ago, and she described the Safe Schools program as the work of the devil. Not transgender children, not transgender kids at all. Now, you're entitled to criticise the Safe Schools program, a government policy. I share a lot of those criticisms and concern of Margaret Court. She's been fitted up. She's a great Australian on every front. I too don't share her religious beliefs, but I admire very, very much the magnificence of her character and the work she's done helping needy people in Perth in particular.